Can teenagers really become millionaires? Absolutely. The earlier you start, the better your chances are of achieving financial independence. Imagine this. You're in your teens, and while many of your peers are spending their earnings on temporary thrills, you're laying the foundation for a lifetime of wealth. The key? Principles that guide your mindset, decisions, and actions. Let's dive straight into the 7 principles you need to embrace to turn this dream into reality. Principle 1. Master the art of budgeting. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. As a teenager, you might think budgeting is boring or unnecessary, especially if you don't have significant income. But learning to manage even a small allowance or part-time job earnings is crucial. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, or savings if your needs are covered by parents, 30% to wants, and 20% to investments. For example, if you make $100 a week, put $50 aside for future needs, $30 for things you enjoy, and $20 into a high-yield savings account or investment app. Mastering this habit early creates a financial discipline that will benefit you for decades. Principle 2. Develop a high-income skill. Your teenage years are the perfect time to experiment and learn skills that are in demand. Think about areas like coding, graphic design, video editing, copywriting, or even starting a social media management service. Why high-income skills? Because they allow you to earn significantly more than the average hourly wage at a part-time job. For example, freelance graphic designers can charge $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise. The best part? These skills often require minimal upfront investment to learn, thanks to free or affordable online resources. Principle 3. Start investing early. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Starting early allows you to harness the power of compounding, where your investments grow exponentially over time. Let's break it down. If you invest $50 a month from the age of 16 at an average annual return of 8%, you'll have over $175,000 by the time you're 50. But if you wait until you're 25 to start, you'd only have about $88,000. The sooner you begin, the bigger your financial snowball grows. Invest in low-cost index funds, ETFs, or even explore fractional investing through apps designed for beginners. And don't forget to reinvest your dividends to maximize growth. Principle 4. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky, even as a teenager. While your part-time job or high-income skill might be your primary earner, think about diversifying. Start a YouTube channel, create digital products like ebooks or online courses, or flip items online through platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. The goal is to establish at least 2 to 3 streams of income, even if they're small to begin with. Imagine earning $100 from a part-time job, $50 from an online business, and another $25 from investments each month. That's $175 working together toward your millionaire goal. Principle 5. Network with like-minded people. Your network determines your net worth. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you to grow. Look for mentors, friends, or online communities where people share your financial aspirations. Platforms like LinkedIn or even local entrepreneurship meetups can introduce you to professionals willing to guide you. A good mentor can provide advice, insights, and opportunities you might never have considered. Avoid spending too much time with people who have poor money habits. Instead, cultivate relationships with those who value discipline, hard work, and ambition. Principle 6. Leverage the power of education. Knowledge is one of the most powerful tools for wealth creation. And here's the best part. You don't have to spend a fortune on education. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, or Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Follow reputable financial YouTube channels, listen to podcasts, or take online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy. Apply what you learn. Education without action is just entertainment. Every new concept you understand, from managing debt to evaluating investment opportunities, takes you one step closer to financial freedom. Principle 7. Stay consistent and patient. Let's be real. Becoming a millionaire isn't going to happen overnight. It requires persistence, consistency, and patience. The road to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Think of every financial decision as planting a seed. Some seeds take years to grow into towering trees, but once they do, they provide shade and fruit for a lifetime. Consistently budget, save, invest, and improve your skills. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey. Maybe an investment doesn't perform as expected, or your side hustle fails. Instead of giving up, learn from these experiences and move forward by following these 7 principles: budgeting, developing high-income skills, investing early, building multiple income streams, networking, educating yourself, and staying patient. You're setting yourself apart from most teenagers. These habits and strategies will not only help you become a millionaire, but also equip you to lead a financially secure and fulfilling life. If you found these principles inspiring and valuable, don't keep them to yourself. Share the wealth. And hey, before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's build a community of financially savvy individuals who take control of their futures. See you in the next video.